Welcome back, traders. How are you? Hope you're well. Today is Wednesday, the 1st of November, and happy Halloween one more time. Ooh. I look at myself. I look like a ghost, how white I am. I need some sun. I live in Dubai, is the irony. Anyway, today is Wednesday, the 1st of November, guys, and we are going to look back at yesterday's trade. We're going to look at today's potential trades, and we're going to look at the important news for today as well. And there's big important news today, guys. It may make for a difficult trading day. You know, the market might be waiting for that news. But let's start with yesterday's trades. And the first one was this, Euro Aussie dollar, because I was in this trade. All right, and we were looking to buy it. Why we were looking to buy it? Well, structurally, we were clearly in an uptrend. Okay, so that's a good reason to buy it. Secondly, if I zoom in, you can see all of these, you know, these wicks. This wick rejection here is telling us buyers are in the market. Yeah, that's not me thinking it or making it up. The candlesticks are telling me that. And was above the moving average 20, and the idea was just to come back up to the next area of resistance. And then look how it reacted at resistance. All right. If we drop down to the H4, actually, let's drop down to the H. Well, let's start with the H4. So I really liked when this candle happened. Why did I like this? Because this candle broke this last high here. Okay, so there was nothing stopping this then to come up to here. Yeah, there was no resistance in the way. But if we drop down to the H1, guys, I'm already in this trade. I've been in this trade since here. Okay, and I put this trade in the VIP Discord. I've taken some profit, and I was still in this trade for 20%. But and frustratingly, I had an alarm in here. Yeah, and when price come down, I was just waiting a little bit longer, but then this happened. Okay. And then sort of Elvis had left the building. But, you know, you could have got in on this candle. Yeah. And also these candles earlier on in the day, these were nice candles to get into. But yeah, frustrating, guys. Like I say, my alarm was in here and didn't get into this trade. But like I say, I was already in this trade for 20% and closed the remaining 20% here. But Euro Aussie dollar is the trade that's just kept giving, guys. And there's a few candles you could enter on in there. So that was Euro Aussie dollar. The other trade idea was the NASDAQ. Okay, and this was a bit of a blink and you'll miss it. So if we start with the day chart, why were we looking to sell it? Well, you know, very obvious, clear reasons. Yeah, we're in a downtrend. Okay, price had come back to a nice area of potential value to take price back down to here. And that was the idea. Okay, and was at a nice, potentially, you know, at a nice area of resistance. So that's what we were looking to do, guys. If we look at the H4, now let's look at the H1, because there was an entry on the H1. And at the start of the day, we had this grey zone pinpointed, guys, yeah? And we got this candle. Okay, and my alarm went off, but by the time, you know, I looked at the screen, you know, it had just gone. Yeah, it had come down here and then shot back up. Yeah, so, you know, if you did get in on this candle, guys, yeah, this one here, you know, put your stop above here. This is a perfect example of why you should take profit. This level in here, this grey zone in here, is telling you that this is an area of support and that there are buyers here. This area is telling us that there is an area of resistance and there are sellers here. Okay, so we enter because of that, but take profit here. Yeah, you know, even if it's 50%, 80%, not important, but take some profit, because look what happens, guys. It would have come back up and taken out your stop loss. And you would be saying, I wish I'd taken some profit. Yeah, so trade what the chart tells you, not what you want. Yeah, and the chart was telling you to take profit down here. Having said all that, guys, I'm still interested in the NASDAQ because it's now hit this daily level. Okay, and we're looking at this level here. If this potentially breaks, but this will be a trade idea for today, and we'll take a look at that in a minute. The final trade from yesterday was Aussie dollar Swiss franc. And again, the direction was good. If we go to the day chart, yeah, we were looking to buy this pair. Why were we looking to buy it? Well, price had broken this last high with this candle here. And as soon as we get this candle that breaks these highs, yeah, we are interested in buying this pair because it's a trend change. Okay, and the idea was just to take price back up to this area of resistance. Again, not rocket science, guys. Make resistance your target or support if you're selling. So that was the idea. And again, this was it almost came down enough. So we had this grey zone pinpointed, which would have been an excellent area. Okay, because it was once resistance, then support. It would have given us nice value on the trade. We had the moving average 20. This would have been a lovely area to buy. And also, when I'm seeing this candle, guys, I saw this candle. I was thinking, brilliant. It's going to make it down to here. Yeah, and then it just shot off. So again, didn't get in on this trade, guys. Yeah, I wanted a little bit more of a retracement. So, yeah, a bit of a frustrating day, guys, but it's okay. We'll have days like this. And today's going to be a little frustrating, probably, because of all the news we have. So, yeah, well, that's all the good news for you. Right, that was yesterday's trades. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed the recap, enjoyed the trade ideas from yesterday, which I give to you every day, then come join us, guys. Yeah, subscribe to the channel right now. We'd love to have you. Also, smash the notification button so you receive an alert every time we post a vid. And if everyone could please smash the like button, guys. Yeah, it really helps support the vid and the channel. Gracias. Shukran. Trades for Wednesday, the 1st of November, guys. Before we get started, actually, let me just mention a few things. So first of all, we got the free Discord channel. It's free. Come join it. Yeah, we've got traders in there sharing ideas and knowledge. We've got indicators, useful links, books, loads of value, guys, and it's free. So come check it out. The link is in the video description. Next, guys, we also have the VIP Discord channel. Yeah, you do have to pay for this, but you get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me questions if you're stuck. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. We also have 2 other expert traders sharing their ideas. We give you exclusive content every single week, and you get access to a performance coach should you require it. And we're even test driving a new strategy, guys. So there's so much value in the VIP Discord. Check it out. The link is in the video description. Next, guys, if you would like to read the charts like I do and would like to be coached one-on-one, then I run a mentorship program, guys. Okay. If you would like the information for the mentorship program, drop us an email. We'll send you the information, and the email is in the video description as well. Also, guys, if you watch the live streams, if you watch the analysis vids every day, then you can show your support by becoming a Simply Forex YouTube member. We've got supporter and we've got gold, and there's perks galore in both of them, guys. Yeah, and it starts from as little as $2 a month or something. So yeah, check all that out, guys. It's all in the video description. And finally, guys, don't forget the live stream today, 8 a.m. New York EST time. Check your clocks, because some clocks went back. I know they did in the UK or forward. And come join us for that. Get your questions ready. Right, guys, I never thought I'd say this, but for today, I cannot wait for the news. Yeah, I don't normally say this because everything is in a funk. Yeah, and a funk is a technical trading term. It's not. But you get the gist, guys. Everything's a bit, we don't know what to do with it. Yeah, so if we just look at, the dollar index. Okay, so first and foremost, the dollar index has just been, whipsawing up and down. Okay, if we look at the dollar index, yeah, strong dollar, weak dollar, strong dollar, weak dollar, strong dollar, and the truth of the matter is the US dollar majors have been difficult to trade as a result. Yeah, I remember the other day I wanted to buy euro US dollar and sell Aussie dollar US dollar, which is totally contradictory. So, we need the news to get this dollar index, the dollar, out of this funk. Yeah, I want to see this happen, or I want to see this happen. Okay, then we got some clear direction. It's also true with like yen pairs at the moment. If we look at just pound yen, we're getting these just whipsaws. Yeah, pound yen's like this. What else? Let's look at another yen pair. CAD yen. It's like firmly a downtrend and then bang. So US dollar pairs, yen pairs are tricky to pick direction. They're all in a funk, as I said. So I welcome the news. And even trades that I was looking at today. So, for example, Euro Swiss franc. I was thinking we can buy this still. Okay. So, we're clearly in an uptrend. We are a little bit overbought, but if we got a retrace to here, we could start buying this. Okay. But if I look at pound Swiss franc, yeah, we are at a wonderful level for selling this pair. So Swiss franc strength. Yeah. Also US dollar Swiss franc. If we look how bullish that is. Yeah, so that would suggest Swiss franc weakness, not Swiss franc strength. So there's lots of contradictions in the market, is my point, guys. All right. But having said that, so we need the news. Yeah, I've never been so looking forward to news in all my life. Yeah, it's just going to get us out of this and pick direction for us. Yeah, and then we can follow the winds. Yeah, set our sails and follow the winds. Having said that, guys, a couple of things I am interested in. I do really like this pound Swiss franc area here, okay, for pound against the Swiss franc. So if I saw a breakdown in structure here, we could potentially look to sell this. But really, my only trade idea for today, guys, is the NASDAQ. And again, this will be heavily dependent on news. So it's finally come up and hit this area of support again. So what was once support can become very good resistance. All right. And we're in a downtrend. As you can see, we've retraced to a really nice level. And now we want to see a breakdown. Okay. So NASDAQ is the only trade idea for today, guys. And the idea is to take it back down to here. Okay. If we drop down to the H4 now, you can see we've almost been waiting for that touch. So this is that last daily low. Yeah. And this has just touched it. Okay. So interesting level. If we drop down to the H1 now, yeah, this level was important and price has reacted here. But you will have points, guys, where the market shows its hand. It's basically saying if we break this point, sellers are in control. If it holds, buyers are in control. And that point is this. So you can see, yeah, this area through here. Okay, hence I've got my alarm. So what was once resistance has become support, and we're seeing a push off. Okay. So we could trade this, guys. If price comes back up and touches this daily level, yeah, you could be aggressive and trade this. Yeah, we get a bearish reaction, we can start selling the NASDAQ. All right. What I will be waiting for is a break of this level. Yeah, the market has shown us this is an important level. So let's say price does this for a little bit, yeah, and then it breaks. Once we get a break of this level, then I'm interested in the NASDAQ, yeah, and I'll be looking to take price back down to here, where I will take some profit, if not further, guys. All right. And that really is the only trade idea for today, guys. And if you enjoyed my trade idea, then guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Yeah, do that right now. And also smash the like button. Also, don't forget, we've got the free Discord channel, VIP Discord channel. We've got the mentorship program, and we've got Simply Forex YouTube membership. All of those things are in the video description. And also, guys, don't forget we've got the live stream tonight, this morning, this afternoon, wherever you're from, at 8 a.m. New York EST time. So yeah, news day may not be too much going on, guys. But let's take a look at the news now. So news for Wednesday, the 1st of November, guys. So what we're waiting for is the Fed interest rate decision, but there's still some news before then as well, guys. All right. So first of all, I think this could be important for the Swiss franc, guys. So 8:30 London GMT, we've got the PMI data coming out of the Swiss franc. So if you're in these Swiss franc pairs, that could be influential. Also, guys, 12:15, we've got the ADP non-farm employment change. So again, 3-star rating. This could move the US dollar pairs. And again, this Chairman Thomas of the Swiss National Bank, again, this could move any Swiss franc pair. But then, guys, what we're really waiting for, we've got more news. At 2 o'clock London GMT, we've also got manufacturing PMI and prices and job lot openings. So loads of news today, guys. Yeah. 30 minutes later, we've got crude oil inventories. Okay. So these are all going to affect the US dollar. And then finally, guys, the big daddy mummy piece of news we're looking at is this. We've got the Fed interest rate decision coming out. Okay, so we've got the Fed statement, the Fed interest rate, and they expect it to remain the same. Okay, so if it does, there may not be a great big initial reaction, but then 30 minutes later, we got the press conference, guys. And this is where, we could see some real volatility, as the Fed speaks, the US dollar is going to go buck wild. So yeah, the markets might be waiting for this news today, guys, but we'll see. We'll see what the charts do. So yeah, that's it, guys. If you enjoyed the vid, please subscribe, like, and share. Have a great trading day. Don't forget to join us for the live stream later. Yeah, see you later, guys.